Master the art of identifying proper nouns. Hello, language explorers. Today we're going to dive into an exciting topic in English grammar: proper and common nouns. More specifically, we will focus on recognizing proper nouns in sentences. By the end of this video, you'll be able to identify these nouns in any text with ease. Let's begin by understanding what proper nouns are. Proper nouns are names used for specific individuals, places, organizations, or things. They are always capitalized in English, no matter where they appear in a sentence. Examples include John, Paris, Google, and the Eiffel Tower. Remember, the specificity and capitalization are what set proper nouns apart. Now let's jump into the heart of our topic: recognizing proper nouns in sentences. When you read a sentence, any word that names a specific person, place, or thing, and is capitalized, unless it's at the beginning of the sentence, is likely a proper noun. For instance, consider the sentence, "I visited New York last summer and went to Central Park." Here, New York and Central Park are proper nouns as they refer to specific places and are capitalized. So what are some tricks to identify proper nouns? Here are a few. 1. Capitalization. Proper nouns always start with a capital letter. But don't get confused with the first word of a sentence. It's always capitalized. 2. Specificity. Proper nouns represent specific entities. For example, dog is a common noun, but Fido, a specific dog's name, is a proper noun. 3. Context. Sometimes, the context of the sentence can help identify whether a noun is proper or common. For instance, in the sentence, "We learned about gravity in physics class." Physics is a proper noun because it refers to a specific subject. Now it's time to practice. The more you read and write, the easier it will become to identify proper nouns. When you're reading a book, an article, or even a social media post, try to spot the proper nouns. This consistent practice will enhance your understanding and usage of proper nouns. That brings us to the end of our journey into the world of proper nouns. Remember, proper nouns are the names we give to specific people, places, and things. They always start with a capital letter and are often identified through context. So, keep practicing and soon, recognizing proper nouns will be second nature to you. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay curious and keep exploring the English language.